Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and today I'm going to be giving you guys a Boots haul. Now it's literally been, I want to say, a month since I've done the last Boots haul, and also that Boots haul was in a vlog, so you know it didn't get the shine it deserved. So I thought I would come on here and show you guys some of the new items that I got. Which I'm really excited about. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna get the boring stuff out of the way first. So I obviously got toothpaste. I normally get toothpaste. I get whatever one is on sale because it doesn't really bother me that much, but this time I got the Colgate Max Max White one. The last time I got the Oral-B Max White one, I don't even know, but I got that one this time. Also got a mouthwash because, you know, I go through this pretty quickly actually, because, you know, it gets used like every day and every night, so you know it goes through pretty fast. So I got the Listerine Advanced White one. Then I also got my trusted and recommended moisturizer from Neutrogena. This is just the Comfort Balm. It's just so easy, like it lasts so long, and it just really agrees with my skin. And it took me a while actually to find a moisturizer that did agree with my skin, and this one does. And it's really simple, it's light, it's breathable, it's easy to apply. It's just a nice moisturizer and I really like it, and I would definitely recommend it. Then on to something a bit more exciting. I got this toner. It's from the Botanics range in Boots. This is the All Bright with Hibiscus kind of range. There's like 3 different ones. There's a pink one, a blue one, and a green one. And I have one item from the green one and then the rest is all pink because, I don't know, it sounded the most like exciting, like All Bright, you know. So it's supposed to like brighten and glow your skin, so I mean I was like sold. Then also in skincare I got this face wash. This is the face wash that I use all the time. It's my trusted one. It's the Bulldog Sensitive Face Wash, and this just, it's just so easy. Like, it's just an easy face wash and it just agrees with my skin. And I think it's really important that once you find something that agrees with your skin, you just use it all the time, because you know you're not going to get better than something that you trust this much. Also, another basic thing that I got was deodorant. I got this. This is from Dove Men Plus Care. This is my favorite one. It's the 48-hour powerful protection one. It's just the best. Like, you literally don't smell all day. Like, it's great. And yeah, I just love this one, and it smells really nice. It's like a soft smell, so it's not like seriously like a super strong intense smell. It's very soft and subtle, and I really like that. Then let's move on to something really exciting. So I got this. I remember my last time I got another vegan body lotion, and I love body lotion. I use it every day. So I got this one. It's Love Beauty and Planet. It's shea butter and sandalwood oil body lotion, and you guys, this smells so like amazing. Like, I love it so much, so I use this one every day. But then from the same brand I got the body butter, and yeah, this stuff is as amazing as it sounds. It's the same. Oh my god, you guys, like this lush, oh god, it smells so like lush and just beautiful and just amazing. And wow, it's vegan. The jar is made from 100% recycled materials. It's with plant-based moisturizer. It's natural shea butter. It's ethically sourced sandalwood oil. No parabens and no colorants. Like, literally, like, guys, if you're not using this, you're doing something wrong in your life. I also decided to dive into something different now. This is like a different thing for me, like, 'cause I don't use oils or serums and stuff, so like I was excited to kind of start and get on the journey of them. So this one is from the Botanics range as well. It's All Bright with Hibiscus Radiance Concentrate Serum for all skin types. And guys, I'm not even gonna lie, like I have been obsessed with this. I've used it like the past 2 days now, and I've just been like loving my skin. I just really have. I just been really happy with it. Like, I mean, it mightn't look amazing, but like it's given me that, like, you know, inner like, yeah, I'm happy with my skin. I'm happy with how it looks at the minute. So, and that's all you need. Like, it's, if you're happy with how your skin looks, that's the most important thing. And this has given me that confidence and that self, you know, yes, this is for me. This is working for me. And this is also from the pink color one. So, you know, if you're getting it in store, look for the pink one, because I love that one. I put this one on after my toner but before my moisturizer. And also, speaking of moisturizer, I also got the night cream from that same brand, the Botanics range, All Bright with Hibiscus. It's like they have like a range, like so the pink one, the green one, the blue one, and they all come with different things. So this one has like a day cream and a night cream. Unfortunately, they're also like the day cream, so you know I just got the night cream. And this also smells amazing. Like it's what is it? It smells like? It smells like florally. Like it does have. I mean, it's not as strong. I think the oil has a stronger smell than this, but like I use this at night time and it really helps me sleep. Like not gonna like, it really like relaxes me and puts me in that like, you know, sleep mode, and I really like that. So this I would definitely recommend. Loved it. Loved it. And finally guys, I decided to get another facial oil. This is 100% organic with rosehip, and I've heard that rosehip is actually supposed to be really good for aging. So you know, hopefully I'll be reversing the signs before they even come on my face. So that means that I will never get old. Is that what that means? Because if it is, I am here for that, because you know, who wants to get wrinkles? No one. See, I haven't used this yet because I don't know how to use it. Like, do I use it after my moisturizer? Or do I use it before my moisturizer? Or do I use it before my toner? Like, I don't really know. So if you guys know how to use facial oils, let me know in the comments. Because I was researching about it and it says that heavier oils after your moisturizer, but like lighter oils before your moisturizer. But it doesn't say if this is a heavy oil or a light oil. Like, it doesn't. So guys, that is everything I got on Boots. I really hope you enjoyed my haul. Is there anything here that you are interested in buying or have or own already? Let me know. I'd love to know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. I'll love to answer them for you guys. And until next time, I'll be seeing you. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit that little notification bell, just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. So until next time, bye.